Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
To put your Windows 11 PC to sleep, quickly use the Start menu method. Click Start, then click the power icon and choose Sleep from the list. You can also press Alt plus F4 on a focused desktop to open shutdown options and select Sleep. Another quick option is pressing Win plus X, then select Shutdown or Sign Out, then choose Sleep. These methods work for laptops and desktops with a configured sleep state. If sleep does not appear, check your power settings or device drivers. To customize sleep behavior, open Settings and navigate to System, then Power and Battery. Under Screen and Sleep, set the timers you prefer, for example 15 minutes for battery savings and 30 minutes for plugged in. Scroll to Power button and lid and set when I press the power button to sleep. You can also choose when closing the lid triggers sleep on laptops. These settings ensure consistent automatic sleep and simpler manual control from the power menu. If your PC will not enter or exit sleep, troubleshoot common causes step by step. Open Device Manager and update display, chipset, and network adapter drivers, which often block sleep. Disable Fast Startup in Control Panel if sleep behaves unpredictably or does not appear. Confirm wake settings under Device Manager, allow keyboard or power button wake, and test waking with the power button. Run the built-in power troubleshooter from settings to detect issues automatically. Reboot after changes and test sleep again to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.